Hello, my name is Salman Ismail Sheikh. I am pursuing PGA at Imarticus Learning. I have been inspired by Jagruti Man a lot as he taught us Python and SQL.
Hello, my name is Sri Verma and I am currently pursuing PGA from Imarticus. I truly admire Jagruti ma'am as she makes learning fun and interesting.
She has helped us to deep dive in Python and SQL, and I am grateful about it.
What I learned from her is that your experience isn't defined from number of years you have worked, but from hard works and efforts you have put in it.
Hello, my name is Mr. Goti and I am pursuing my CBOP from Imarticus Learning. The faculty I admire the most is Kapil sir. He is very straightforward and knowledgeable person. The one thing I learned from him is to be hardworking and smart at the same time.
Hello, my name is Shruti Patkar. I am learning CBOP from Imarticus Learning, and two faculties that I admire the most. First one is the Kapil sir. From him I have learned that I have to be practical so that I can upskill myself, and Shweta ma'am, who taught me how to present myself and maintain myself in public with confidence.
Hi, my name is Fawaz Sheikh. I have enrolled for PGA of Data Science and Analytics at Imarticus. I would like to take a moment to admire my soft skill trainer Shweta ma'am at Imarticus.
Hello, my name is Pratham Soni. Currently, I am pursuing postgraduate data analytics program at Imarticus. I truly admire Shweta ma'am.
What I truly admire about her is that how she makes students comfortable and encourage them to open up in her sessions.
She never scolded us on making our mistakes. It helps us to grow in our life and also in career.
And motivate us to believe in ourselves.
Hi, my name is Venkat Rathod. I am currently pursuing PGA course from Imarticus. I would like to talk about Jagruti ma'am.
Hello, my name is Ruby Parekh and I truly admire Jagruti ma'am for her patience.
Jagruti ma'am teaches SQL Python, which helped me to get the job in good company.
As she explains, and she always puts an effort to make students understand the topic very easily, and that's the quality of her, makes her supportive for her students.